Introduction to Python. Python is a general purpose interpreted, interactive, object oriented, and a high level programming language. It was designed in the period of 1985 to 1990. Python source code is available under general public license. Why do we choose Python? It could be worked on different platforms. That is the most ultimate reason we choose Python. Also, its syntax is very simple, like a similar English language. Python has the syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. These are the reasons why we choose Python. Also, Python is interpreted. We need not compile the entire program, so we choose Python. Python is interactive. One can sit behind the Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write our programs. The next reason why we choose Python is it is object oriented. Python supports object oriented style of programming that encapsulates code within objects. Also, Python is a beginner's language. Python is a great language for programming with the wide range of applications from text processing to browsers and games. The syntax of Python is more readable. We can complete a program with fewer lines of code. Python relies on indentation using white spaces to define its scope, such as the scope of the loops, functions, and classes. There are two modes of programming: interactive mode of programming and script mode of programming. In interactive mode of programming, by invoking the interpreter, we will get this prompt. To write our first program in interactive mode, just we have to type in print the hello world from the interpreter. We will get the output as the hello world. In script mode of programming, first we have to create the script and store it. Next, we have to invoke for execution. Next, the script on completing its execution, the interpreter will stop. So, first we have to create a file. We have to type the code. Here, since it is the first program, we just type print hello world. Next, we have to save the script with .py extension. The file gets saved and we have to run it. Now let us move on to the demo. This is what is the Python interpreter. Let me try my first program. I am typing print. Since I am going to input a text, I am enclosing it within double quotes. Upon pressing enter, the interpreter executes this program, this command, and gives me the result. Next, let us move on to the script mode. For that, let me go choose a new file. I type in the command here. Next, I have to save it. Since the type is already Python files, it will save it under .py extension. Now to run this module, run module. It gives me the result what I have given there. Hello world.